Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix cannot download please ask that it be resent to you problem on WhatsApp. If you're facing a problem and cannot download any images on WhatsApp, all you have to do, there are two methods. First method involves, now I'm gonna show you what it does. You have to long press your WhatsApp icon and click on app info or this I button on the top, app info. Click on it, the app info of WhatsApp will open. From here you have to go to storage and cache and you have to select clear cache. Once you select the clear cache button, your cache will be cleared. Then all you have to do is click on this power button and reboot your phone. Once your phone has been rebooted, all you have to do is check if your problem has been fixed or not. But if your problem has not been resolved or not fixed, then you can open WhatsApp, go to the settings of WhatsApp. From here you have to select help and you have to select help center. In the help center you have to select contact us. You have to select contact us and tell WhatsApp that what problem are you facing. So you can tell WhatsApp that I'm facing a problem of can't download. Please ask to resend it, and you can click on next and WhatsApp will get your ticket or your response, and then they will try to fix your problem. And that's how you can fix can't download please ask that it be resent to you on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.